Hi, friends. I'm excited to come and share with you kind of what's been going on as far as an update in my renovation project of my grandmother's 1960s homes that is now my aunt's home. I've been working on this home office that you're seeing here, trying to put together an inspiration board for my aunt. If you have not been following this series, definitely check out the playlist to get all caught up. And I want to thank my sponsors of this video, Cricut, because I'm going to be also just kicking off some nice holiday inspiration for my aunt in this newly renovated space for her. The home is really just coming to life. She is loving it. And I have been loving doing all the organizational projects now that we're past all of the rental part. But now we're in kind of a mad rush to get all the rooms put together with furniture, get curtains up, get all the finishing touches up so that next week we can start decorating for the holidays. My aunt has been living in my grandmother's home for the past 13 years, but she has not. My grandmother's been past 10 years, but she has not ever decorated for the holidays. And so this is super exciting, super fun for us this year. And so first I had an $800 budget to get her kind of sitting room, dining room off the side of the kitchen put together. So I went and got all the necessary things, and it's about getting all of this put together today and then moving into some nice Cricut projects at my house to bring back here when we get ready to kick off next week to decorate for the holidays. So I just kind of want to share you what was going on. Knowing we are all over the place, but we are going to have furniture in this house, the rooms done, and holiday decor all done within the next 2 weeks. And her house is already feeling amazing and she's loving it. And so now this has just been such an emotional, joyous time for us seeing my grandmother's home, which is now her home, come to life. Now in the dining room, she didn't need anything, just kind of over the top or really for a lot of entertaining, because it's just her, it's her puppy, and she just wants a place where she can come have her coffee, watch TV. So we are gonna put a TV in here. Also a place that is just nice if her friend girl comes over, they can sit and chat. I'm gonna get curtains up to warm up the space and to finish it off. And like I said, the objective right now is just to really touch every room by getting the furniture in the room, the essentials such as curtains and rugs in the room, and then we'll go through and as we decorate for the holidays, we'll kind of put those finishing touches on and everything. So that was there. And for her coffee bar, I did want to jump in. I couldn't resist jumping in on a holiday project. And so I was so excited to team up with Cricut to get this done. In her coffee bar area, I thought it would be cute to have just some fun holiday mugs. Replace our mug just for the season so that she could have a fun mug. So when I got back home, I pulled out the Cricut so that I can put this together for her. And I have a ton of beautiful decorations that we're going to do in her home for the holidays. So I hope you will have so much fun this year coming on this journey with us. And like I said, she's been living in this home for all these years and have never made it her own until now. And to be able to also, for the first time, decorate for the holidays, it's going to be just phenomenal. Now, Cricut has these amazing stackable mugs, which are so fun. So if you're looking at doing a fun project for the season, grab those mugs. I'll put the link to Cricut down below. So I thought her home is this black and white and cream theme. So I thought, how cute would it be to just have some simple holiday mugs with black Christmas trees, but each one is like a modern look, but a little different. And so I thought it was so super neat. So I jumped on my Cricut design space and found the perfect trees, the perfect combination, and was able to put it out. But for anyone who's new to Cricut, Cricut is so great because it allows you to do so many different projects. Very simplified. You guys know I love simple. 3 simple buttons: to load button, the play button, the pause button, and to turn it on. And so it's really just so simple to use. There's not a long learning curve with it. And those are the things that I love when it comes to anything when it has to do with technology. But it really is truly user friendly, and you can use so many different materials with them. I plan on doing these fun little puzzles, wood puzzles, because you can actually use wood in here too. They have these little wood pieces, pieces that you can use to make little wood puzzles for the holidays. Just so many different things. The material list is just endless when it comes to Cricut. So from making your cards to labeling to organizing, and that's another project that I'm going to share with you, an organizing project for her kitchen in here. And sometimes I think that, just doing a holiday sit down and craft just really puts you in the holiday mode. And so for me, it's extra special with my grandmother's home because it has been her house used to be, when I was a little girl, the house that we all went to for the holidays. And it was just, she had it decked out with just beautiful decor. And since she passed away and since my aunt's been living there, the house has not transformed into her space and she has not done that. So to be able to do that this year again, after so many years, is just so super exciting for us. And so as you can see, each Christmas tree is different, but when they're stacked, it's going to be a lot of fun for her. I think it's going to look so cute sitting on her coffee bar. And you will see that when I put out the Christmas decor, when I get that video out to you week after next. But how cute are these mugs? And you can do these for every day. I thought this would be good to do for like the fall and just have like a set for each season. And just so cute. I love a stackable mug. I really do. And so I wanted something that wasn't going to be too much, but really fun and simple, but really kind of shared the holiday spirit and can sit on her coffee bar. So how cute is that? I was so happy with how that turned out, and it took me no time to do it. Just loved it. Now, the next thing that also I wanted to do is I am still in the process of organizing her kitchen. So when I go up every week, I do one little drawer or one little cabinet in the kitchen to just knock it out. And so we're basically at the end, friends. And so I'm using, with the Cricut, I'm using the iron-on vinyl for this project, which, let me tell you, that's my favorite project, is to iron on, because it's so easy, so simple. And what these bags are, these are for her utility drawer. Many of you call it the junk drawer, but I say let's not call anything in our home junk. So I like to call those drawers the utility drawers, where she's going to keep like her stationery, her to-do list, pad and pen for writing out her grocery list, her first aid bag for Band-Aids and things like that, which are always good to keep in your kitchen. And then I also wanted her to have a utility bag, and this is how it's going to sit in her drawer in her kitchen, but a utility bag for things like her lighter to light her candles and scissors and all of those utility items that you tend to see in a so-called junk drawer. And so, friends, that is what's been going on around my grandmother's home. Come back next week for another update and for some holiday decorating the week after. It's going to be just a beautiful, beautiful and exciting time. I feel so blessed to be able to work on this project. And thanks to my sponsors of this video, Cricut. I'll put the link to Cricut down below. Definitely time to jump on our Cricut if you have not done so for the holidays. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.